Hi everyone, welcome to my second video. So, in my last video, I told you that I will start a series of terminologies of pharmacy which will make easy to learn pharmacy. As you know, there are a lot of terminologies in pharmacy, so I narrowed it down to three segments for today. The first segment is related to drug, so I will start explaining them. I will be telling you about dose, dosage form, dosing frequency, strength, generic name, and brand name. So let's start. What is dose? A specific quantity of a drug taken at specific time is called dose. For example, if you have to take one tablet of paracetamol, this is the dose. Next, what is dosage form? The manner in which drug substances are presented in the market is dosage form. Like, what is the state of the drug? What is the form of the drug? For example, it is solid, it is liquid, or a semi-solid. Like, paracetamol tablets are solid. This is the dosage form of paracetamol. What is strength? The amount of drug in a given dosage form is called strength. For example, 500 milligrams of paracetamol is its strength. What is dosing frequency? The number of times you have to take a medicine per day is called dosing frequency. For example, if you have to take 3 tablets of paracetamol with an interval of 6 hours, this is dosing frequency. Next, what is a generic name? The chemical name of a drug is called generic name. For example, paracetamol is a generic name. Next, what is brand name? A drug sold by a drug company under a specific name is called brand name. For example, the brand name for ibuprofen is Nurofen. Nurofen is a brand name. Now let's move to the second segment of terminologies. It contains POM, P, GSL and OTC. So, what is the first terminology? POM. POM stands for prescription only medicines. These are the medicines that cannot be sold without prescription. So let's move to the second terminology, that is P. P is abbreviation for pharmacy only. What does it mean? Pharmacy only medicines are the medicines that can only be sold by pharmacies. The next terminology is GSL, which stands for General Sales List. So, what are general sales list medicine? These are the medicines that can be sold without the supervision of pharmacy. For example, a supermarket can sell these medications. So, the next is OTC. OTC stands for over-the-counter medications. What are the over-the-counter medications? These are the medications that can be sold without prescription in a pharmacy. Now, the third segment of terminologies. In this segment, I will be explaining the processes of pharmacy that happens in pharmacy every day. So, let's move to the first terminology, that is dispensing. What is dispensing? The process of preparing and supplying medicines to a named person together with clear instructions, advice, and counseling is called dispensing. So, what is compounding? The process of combining, mixing, or altering ingredients to create a medication tailored to the needs of an individual patient is called compounding. Now remember, in dispensing, we are only supplying medicines, and in compounding, we are making a medication for specific patient. Mostly patients does not require compounding. Now, let's move to the third terminology, which is labeling. It is a written, printed, or graphic matter upon any drugs or any of its container or accompanying such a drug. It contains drug contents, specific instructions, or warning for administration, storage, and disposal. The fourth one is checking, a process in which the pharmacist double checks the dispensed prescription by dispenser to make sure that everything is right, for example, dosage form, dose, or strength, etc. Now, the last terminology for today is counter assistance. What is counter assistance? The process of advising patients correctly, help them choosing over the counter products and handing out the filled prescriptions to the patients. In different pharmacies, different persons or staff perform these processes. For example, most of the pharmacies have pharmacist, pharmacy dispenser or assistant, pharmacy technician or counter assistants which perform these processes. Stay tuned for my next video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.